Right, on this video I am going to be changing the clutch fluid, and that's a .4 or .3 on this 2.2 Honda CDTI Mark 8. That's 2007 for me. The brake fluid is different, in a different reservoir. That's the brake fluid reservoir, that's the clutch fluid, and you can see that the brake fluid, even through this plastic, is clear, but the clutch fluid is kind of black, so it needs changing. Clutch fluid is very corrosive, so don't get it on any plastic or your paintwork, because it'll eat straight through the lacquer. Now the clutch fluid bleed nipple is down there somewhere, so let's take off the battery. 10mm socket on this side, and let's have a look. 10mm on the other side as well. Kept hold of these caps that you get when you change your battery, and it's quite useful just to remind yourself. It also helps to insulate. Take off these. The bracket holds in the battery. Let's lift the battery out. Take out the plastic tray. And which way around it goes, it does help. There's probably a clip just here. Looking in here, this pipe is in the way, but the bleed screw is here, down here. Where my finger is, there. It's down there. There it is. Let's take the engine. So now we've got a lot more room to work with. This rubber hose isn't in the way so much, and it's an air hose anyway, so I can remove this if I wanted to. I probably won't need to, but let's see what sort of hose I can get to fit the end of that nipple. Spray down with brake cleaner, anything that you're going to undo. I'm wasting a lot of it, missing half of it because I can't really reach. And it would be helpful if that big rubber hose weren't there. Right, the hose comes off easily. What's that leading to? And the throttle. It's quite clean in there. So it comes off easy, just move that to the side. Gives me loads of access. Try this handheld vacuum pump. It just about fits, and the end just about fits. Need a stiff pipe, clean that as well. We'll see how it goes. A good idea for me to open the lid, have a bottle of .4 or .3 ready. Here's my setup. I need to keep one hand on here to keep the seal as I crack it, otherwise there's going to be a problem. I need one hand to pump. Trying to feel if I'm getting a vacuum, and I am kind of getting a vacuum. Notice that, look. So I'm getting a pre-vacuum, so that's not a bad idea. And the .4 ready. Let's do it. Right, so I positioned a bottle there, threaded the pipe through there into my pump, and we've already established that we can create a vacuum. Right, I've just filled the reservoir to the top. I'm ready to crack this open. The lid is off. There is vacuum, not too much. Okay. Oh, we're getting some out. Got a reservoir. Don't let any air bubbles get in there. There'll be no clutch. As long as it's sucking, it's a good thing. Watching that reservoir, when it hits that minimum, crank that bleed screw back on. This stuff is corrosive, don't get it in your paint. Somehow you're going to have to clean it all down really properly. Not let any of this spill. Right, so let's top it up again. Create some pre-vacuum in it. Bleed it open. Continue doing this until you get clear fluid. This vacuum pump thing is coming quite handy. Just keep doing that until you get nice clear fluid. And hopefully, because I've been sucking it, there should be no air bubbles in it, but you never know. If that's the case, then you'll have to have someone step on the clutch, and as its stuff is squirting out, tighten it as its stuff is squirting out. Keep doing this, I'll let you know how I'm getting on. I'm getting plenty of vacuum on this. Actually, it's a good idea to have the bottle lower down than the nipple. So, put it down there, you see that? And why are we doing this? Why are we even getting rid of this dark, old clutch fluid, which is .4, same as brake fluid? Why? Reason being is because old fluid turns acidic and it can rot away your O-rings on things like this slave cylinder, and it can ruin them. And also, when pressing on a clutch, I noticed it's quite difficult. And even when I was pressing on this vacuum handle with the old fluid, it was kind of stiff, really hard to press. And then with the new fluid, much easier to pump. So all those reasons relieve pressure from when you're stepping on the clutch, I guess. All them things are just going to save your system. Still got vacuum on there, so this does work. Just a vacuum pump, vacuum test kit, automotive kit. Comes in with all the hoses, quite simple to use, collection bottle. Alright, thanks for watching. Right, it's time for me to take the hose off, so make sure you've got plenty of rag to soak up anything. And I spilt some onto that pipe down there. This stuff is flammable, so don't do it on a hot engine. Right. Stepping on a clutch feels normal. If it's not normal, if there's air bubbles in it, you definitely know, because they'll just kind of hit the floor with kind of no spring to it. So spring to it. Right, I'm changing gears, no problem. So thanks for watching. I definitely recommend that pump.